Problem number 1. Prove that divergence of curl r power n into r bar equal to 0. Problems on vector identities. By using the vector identities, we can prove that div of curl r power n into r bar is equal to 0. Now, first, we know that curl phi into f bar is equal to phi into curl bar plus grade phi cross f bar, or this can also be written as del cross phi f bar is equal to phi into del cross f bar plus del phi cross f bar. Therefore, here phi is equal to r power n and f bar is equal to r bar. Now we are writing del cross r power n into r bar. Therefore, in the place of phi, here r power n, in the place of f bar, here r bar. Therefore, phi, that means r power n into del cross f bar, that is r bar, plus del phi. So del phi, here del phi means r to the power of n cross f bar is r bar. In the previous topics, we already proved that del of r power n is equal to n into r to the power of n minus 2 into r bar. Del cross r bar is equal to 0 bar, or curl r bar is equal to 0 bar. Therefore, this is equal to r power n into del cross r bar. Just we shown that this is equal to 0 bar plus del r power n, that is n into r to the power of n minus 2 into r bar cross r bar. Therefore, since we know that del r power n is equal to n into r power n minus 2 and del cross r bar is equal to 0 bar. We proved these two in the previous classes in the curl topic, in the gradient of a scalar point function. Therefore, this is 0 plus n into r to the power of n minus 2 into r bar cross r bar, that is equal to 0 bar. Since cross product of itself is equal to 0 bar, so therefore, since cross product of any vector is equal to 0 bar, therefore this is equal to 0 bar. Therefore, del cross r power n into r bar, that is curl of r power n into r bar. This is equal to 0 bar. Therefore, now apply divergence on both sides. Now, divergence of curl r power n into r bar is equal to divergence of 0 bar, that is equal to 0. So therefore here del cross r power n into r bar, del cross means that is a curl. So therefore here divergence of a curl, that is equal to 0. Which is our required answer. Second one, prove that divergence of grade r power n equal to n into n plus 1 into r to the power of n minus 2, and show that del square 1 by r equal to 0. Now take the grade r power n first. Now grade r power n, we know that grade r power n is equal to n into r power n minus 2 into r bar. Grade r power n or del r power n. Therefore, now divergence of grade r power n, that is equal to divergence of n into r to the power of n minus 2 into r bar. Therefore, this is again in the form of phi into r bar, divergence of phi f bar. So therefore, now we know that divergence of phi into f bar is equal to phi into div f bar plus grade phi dot f bar. That means del dot phi f bar, or otherwise this can be written as a div of phi into f bar. So therefore div of phi f bar, that is equal to div n into r to the power of n minus 2 into r bar. Therefore this can be written as now phi f bar is equal to phi into del dot f bar plus grade phi, that means del phi dot f bar. Now here phi is n into r to the power of n minus 2 and f bar is equal to r bar. Therefore we are substituting, that is equal to del dot phi n into r to the power of n minus 2 into r bar. Therefore this is equal to phi, that is n into r to the power of n minus 2 into del dot r bar plus del phi, that is phi is n into r power n minus 2 dot f bar, that is r bar. Therefore this is equal to, here phi is n into r power n minus 2, f bar is r bar. Now n into r to the power of n minus 2 del dot r bar we already proved, that is 3 plus, now del of n into r to the power of n minus 2. Therefore n is a constant. We can write outside n into del of r power n minus 2. See here, grade r power n is equal to n into r to the power of n minus 2 into r bar. Say this is equation number 1. So therefore by using equation number 1 we can easily write del of r power n minus 2. Put n equal to n minus 2 in equation 2, we get the answer. Therefore n minus 2 into r to the power of n minus 2 minus 2 into r bar dot r bar. Therefore this is equal to, since we already proved that del dot r bar equal to 3, and from equation 1, therefore this is equal to 3 into n into r power n minus 2 plus n into n minus 2 into r power n minus 4 into r bar dot r bar, r bar dot r bar. Therefore r bar dot r bar is equal to r square. This is equal to 3 n into r power n minus 2 plus n into n minus 2 into r power n minus 4 into r square. Since r bar dot r bar, that is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar dot xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now I bar dot I bar 1, that is x into x square, j bar dot j bar 1, that means y square, k bar dot k bar 1, that is z square. This is exactly equal to r square. Therefore since r bar dot r bar is equal to r square, therefore again this can be written as 3 into n into r power n minus 2 plus n into n minus 2 into r power n minus 4 plus 2, that means n minus 2. Therefore take out n into r power n minus 2 as a common factor. Therefore this becomes 3 plus n minus 2. 3 is the remaining factor, n minus 2 is the remaining factor. Therefore n into r power n minus 2 into n plus 1. This is the left hand side is del dot n into r to the power of n minus 2 into r bar. Del dot n into r power n minus 2 into r bar. That means this is divergence of grade r power n. This is divergence of grade r power n. Divergence of grade r power n is equal to divergence of n into r power n minus 2 into r bar. N into r power n minus 2 into n plus 2. Therefore, this is our required answer. Dive grade r power n is equal to n into r to the power of n minus 2 into n plus 1. And he asked to show that del square 1 by r equal to 0. Therefore, put n equal to minus 1. The right hand side becomes a 0. Therefore, divergence of grade r power minus 1 is equal to n value minus 1 r power minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 1. Therefore, this is equal to 0. This means dive. Dive means del dot. Grade means del. R power minus 1 means r bar. That is equal to, this is a 0. Therefore, del dot del, it becomes a del square 1 by r equal to 0. We already proved del dot del f is equal to del square f. Since del dot del f is equal to del square f, we already proved this result. Laplacian operator del square. Problem number 3. If small r and capital R bar have their usual meaning and a bar is a constant vector, prove that del cross a bar cross r bar by r power n equal to 2 minus n by r power n into a bar plus n into a bar dot r bar by r power n plus 2 into r bar. Here, small r and capital R bar have their usual meaning, means capital R bar is a position vector. Instead of small r bar, here he is using capital R bar. From the beginning, we are explaining that in some of the cases they can use capital R bar to represent the position vector, and small r is its magnitude. Therefore, now let capital R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Small r is equal to modulus of r bar, square root of x square plus y square plus z square. These are the usual meanings of capital R bar and small r. Now a bar is a constant vector, and let a bar be a constant vector. Now del cross a bar cross r bar by r power n. Therefore, this can be written as del cross r to the power of minus n into a bar cross r bar. Therefore, this is of the form del of phi into f bar. Therefore, we know that del of phi f bar del cross phi f bar is equal to phi into del cross f bar plus grade phi cross f bar, grade phi or del phi. Therefore, this can be written as, now by using this formula, this can be written as, now del cross a bar cross r bar by r power n is equal to del cross r power minus n into a bar cross product is a vector. This is phi, this is a f bar. Therefore, this can be written as phi. That means r power minus n into del cross f bar. Del cross f bar is a bar cross r bar plus grade phi, that means del phi, del of phi r power minus n cross f bar, that is a bar cross r bar. By using the above formula, we expanded this. This is equal to r power minus n into a bar cross b bar cross c bar. So that means a bar dot c bar into b bar minus a bar dot b bar into c bar plus del of r power minus n, that is minus n into r power minus n minus 2 into r bar, here capital R bar cross a bar cross r bar. Therefore, this can be written as r power minus n into del dot r bar. This is 3 into a bar minus, this is del dot r bar means div r bar. We already proved in the previous problem also, we have written this value into a bar, del dot a bar into r bar. This is equal to a bar. After the completion of this problem, I proved del dot a bar into r bar is equal to a bar. How it becomes a bar? After the completion of this one, I will prove it. Minus n into r to the power of minus n minus 2 into r bar cross a bar cross r bar. Therefore, this can be written as, since del dot capital R bar or small r bar 3 and del dot a bar into r bar is equal to capital A bar. Therefore, again, this can be written as minus r to the power of minus n into 3a bar minus a bar, that is 2a bar minus n into r to the power of minus n minus 2 into r bar cross a bar cross r bar, that is the formula r bar dot r bar into a bar minus r bar dot a bar into r bar. I used this formula in the previous step also. Since a bar cross b bar cross c bar is equal to a bar dot c bar into b bar minus a bar dot b bar into c bar. This is the formula. The same formula I used in the above step also. Here also I used the same formula. A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. Same formula I used again. So therefore, this can be written as r power minus n into 2a bar minus n into r power minus n minus 2 into r bar dot r bar. Just in the previous problem I proved that r square into a bar minus, this can be written as a bar dot r bar into r bar. Therefore, again, this can be simplified 2a bar into r power minus n minus multiplication n into r power minus n minus 2 into r square n into r power minus n minus 2 plus 2, 2 to cancel into a bar minus n into r to the power of n minus 2 into a bar dot r bar into r bar, that is minus, this can be written as n by r power n plus 2. We are writing it in the denominator. This becomes exponents minus symbol becomes a plus into a bar dot r bar into r bar. This is equal to, now in this first two terms, a bar r power minus n is a common factor. Therefore, r power minus n into now 2a bar, r power minus n is a common factor and a bar is also a common factor. A bar is also a common factor. Then we get 2 minus n into, so 2 minus n. Again, here this can be written as minus n by r power n plus 2 into a bar dot r bar into r bar. Therefore, in the left hand side, we have del cross a bar cross r bar by r power n. Del cross a bar cross r bar by r power n. Therefore, we get the required answer. So that is 2 minus n by r power n. This can be written as 2 minus n by r power minus n can be written as r power n into a bar minus n into a bar dot r bar by r power n plus 2 into r bar. In the previous step, we have r bar dot a bar, but a bar dot b bar is equal to b bar dot a bar. Both are same. So that's why we are writing r bar dot a bar as a bar dot r bar. Therefore, this is our required answer. A bar cross r bar by r power n. This is our required answer. Previously, I explained that I will show after the completion of this problem. Del dot a bar into r bar is equal to a bar. So I would like to show that one. So del dot a bar into r bar. This can be written as a bar dot del into r bar. Here a bar is a constant vector. So therefore we can assume that a1 I bar plus a2 j bar plus a3 k bar dot del I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z into r bar. Therefore, this can be written as I bar dot I bar 1 a1 dou by dou x plus j bar dot j bar 1 a2 dou by dou y plus k bar dot k bar 1 a3 dou by dou z into r bar. R bar means xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Therefore, this can be written as a1 dou by dou x of xi bar, that means I bar, a1 into dou by dou x of yj bar 0, a1 into dou by dou x of zk bar 0, a2 into dou by dou y of xi bar 0, a2 into dou by dou y of yj bar, that is j bar, since y derivative is 1, a2 into dou by dou y of zk bar, both are constants 0, plus a3 dou by dou z of xi bar 0, yj bar is also 0. Now a3 into dou by dou z of zk bar, so z derivative is 1 into k bar. K bar is a constant. Therefore, this is clearly a bar. This is clearly A bar. Therefore, del dot A bar into R bar is equal to A bar. This is the reason for del dot A bar is equal into R bar is equal to A bar. So I used this value in the above problem. This is the proof for del dot A bar into R bar is equal to A bar. Fourth one, if U into F is equal to del V, where U comma V are scalar fields and F bar, here F bar is a vector field. So that curl F bar equal to 0 bar. So that F bar dot curl F bar is equal to 0. Therefore, now write down, given that U into F bar is equal to del V. Therefore, F bar is equal to 1 by U into V. Therefore, now curl of F bar is equal to, here we forgot to write del, that is del V. Therefore, this is equal to curl of F bar, that is 1 by U into del V. Therefore, this can be written as curl of, it is scalar quantity, it is a vector quantity, therefore phi into F bar. Now we know that curl of phi into F bar is equal to phi into curl F bar plus grade phi cross F bar. This is the formula. Therefore, now by using this formula, this can be written as curl of F bar is equal to, phi is 1 by U into curl of F bar del V plus grade phi, grade of 1 by U cross F bar. Therefore, this can be written as 1 by U into curl of del V, curl grade phi curl of grade phi 0 bar plus grade of 1 by u, that can also be written as del of 1 by u cross f bar. Therefore, since curl of del phi 0, this is we proved in the previous classes, curl grade phi 0. Therefore, this is equal to del of 1 by u cross f bar. Therefore, this is curl f bar. Now, here instead of f bar, we have to write del v. So, del v. Here also we can write del v. Therefore, this can also be here. We can write del v. Now, f bar dot curl f bar. Now, f bar dot curl f bar is equal to f bar is 1 by u into del v. 1 by u del v dot del of 1 by u cross del v. Therefore, this is triple scalar product of 1 by u del v del of 1 by u del v. This is triple scalar quantity and these two quantities are same. Therefore, since the two factors are same in this scalar triple product, this value becomes 0. This value becomes 0. Since two factors are equal in the scalar triple product. So, this is a scalar triple quantity is a triple scalar product is a 0. Therefore, f bar dot curl f bar is equal to 0.